Narisha.
I am Nordana.
My name is Noor Ayuni Fahana.
I'm Nurul Anis Nadira.
And this is Amrina Rashada.
We are the Violets and we are from SMK Seri Rompin. This is our advisor, Frau Izati.
Have you heard about mini shoes rack? Oh, you haven't? Well, you're boring and literally not slay at all. Let me explain. Mini shoes rack is a rack designed to put our shoes on the rack to make our place look more lively, clean, and comfortable.
As we showed earlier, there's many slippers that aren't arranged well, and we have many unused chair and door that we can make lot of useful things. Let's see what the people have to talk about this. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Yana.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, sure.
What's your opinion on unused chair and doors in our school?
I think that it is very useless to just do nothing with all that door and chair. I suggest to make something creative with it.
Okay, thank you. If you're lazy enough to do that, excuse me, young lady. I'm sorry, you're not gonna make any change in your life. Okay, let's go to Ayuni. Now I'm going to present to you guys about the mini shoes rack. The rack have 80 cm length, 80 cm width, and 100 cm tall. This help our school to look more clean. You don't want your school to look dirty, right? Well, the time is always right to do what is right. Thank you.
Jana's here. The list of things that we need to have is wood, door handle, door hinges, screw, door safety lock, and wheel. The tall of this rack is 100 cm. The length is 80 cm and the width is 80 cm.
The budget costs like 50 ringgit.
That's all from us. Don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done.